Alright, y'all, what's up? It's Red Alert again, coming to you with another pack opening. And we got Illusions. I got 10 packs of these bad boys. First time I opened a pack of Illusions, well, like 12 packs of Illusions, I got something pretty decent. I got one of those tough, rare inserts. But it was a rookie, and it's only Jalen Green. It's only Jalen Green of the Houston Rockets. I mean, he's not one of the top stars right now, but hopefully he'll get there. That's probably the best thing I pulled besides a 75, number to 75 Jerry West. But I got 10 of these bad boys. Hopefully we get one of those Luka Doncic Tufts. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. I mean, anything would be cool, actually. Beggars can't be choosers, so let's go. Illusions. Nice little set to make up. Alright, we got Buddy Hield, KD, Kyle Lowry, the MVP, Dennis Schroeder, Bojan Bogdanovic. We got Jericho Sims, rookie parallel. And then we get Jalen Suggs. Those nice little inserts. Wilt the Steel, the Claw. And our rookies are Jaden Springer and Cade Cunningham. It's the first time I got that guy in just a base. Got his paralleled. Let's go. John Collins, Evan Fournier, Michael Connolly, Harrison Barnes, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Ben Simmons, the best shooter in the NBA, Ben Wallace, the orange parallel, and then we got Kyrie, the detonation, so that's Steve Nash, my boy Anthony Simons, who might get traded, so Austin Reeves, I know somebody who'll appreciate that card. Alright, we got Drew Holiday, Julius Randle, the Unicorn Kristaps Porzingis, D'Angelo Russell, CJ, Kobe White, Trey Mann, King of Cards, Kawhi Leonard. I don't got that one yet, so that's pretty good. Hakeem the Dream, Reggie Jackson, Joe Wieskamp, James Bouknight. I want to say I got me Austin Reeves already. Maybe a couple of them. I know the stock's going up. I could probably sell a couple and then give one away. Cat, Brandon Ingram, Lonzo Ball, AD, DeAndre Hunter. And we got Brandon Boston Jr., LaMelo Ball Sensations, Lauri Markkanen, KG, Corey Kispert, Jared Butler, Domantas Sabonis, Malcolm Brogdon, Little Mountain, Cole Anthony, Jamal Murray, Ja the Shooter Morant, Magic Johnson with the orange parallel, King James, I know somebody who would appreciate that too. The man, Charles Barkley. I almost said Charles Buck. People don't know who that is, but Joe Wieskamp, James Bouknight. So far we got, I don't know. Can't really say nothing. Devin Booker, Chris Middleton, RJ Barrett, Bradley Beal, Will Barton, Jaren Jackson Jr., DeMar DeRozan, and we get a Starlight, Buddy Hield. Buddy Hield star, and we get Anthony Edwards in the back. Tough. Ant and Buddy Hield, Starlight and a Tough. In the same pack. Same pack. Let's go. Let's go. I'll take that any day. Got Jason Williams, Josh Christopher, and Sandro Mamishkavili. I don't know. He's from Georgia, so that's all I know. He's from Georgia. I could just tell by the last name. Starlight in a tough. Wow, what? Same pack. All right, Desmond Bain, Zach LaVine, Chris Paul, Trae Young, Christian Wood, Rudy Gobert, DeAndre Hunter, and another Trae. I got that Trae Young already. So, Jay Will, Patrick Beverly, Kai Jones, Kessler Edwards. I'm happy already. I got a tough and a Starlight parallel, so I'm good. I'm good. I mean, I don't mind if you guys give me another one. You know, that'd be even more awesome. Emmanuel Quickly, Rui Hachimura, Devin Booker, Chris Middleton, RJ Barrett, Bradley Beal, Usman Garuba, Donovan Mitchell. You got Jordan Poole, who's actually not a bad sixth man. Timmy Duncan, Davion Mitchell, Austin Reeves, another Austin Reeves. That's like $5, $10 in my pocket. You know what I mean? Come on, now I just need a numbered card and we'll call it a day. A good day, actually. Michael Connolly, Harrison Barnes, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Ben Simmons, Wendell Carter Jr., Aaron Gordon, J. Will Orange, and then Corey Kispert and Klay Thompson, Ray, and Miles Turner, Josh Christopher, and the same two guys. Last pack Magic. Let's go. Numbered card. Numbered card. I don't know if I can get 1 and 1s in these. Didn't really check the back of it. Will Barton, Jaren Jackson Jr., DeMar DeRozan, Michael Bridges, John Collins, Evan Fournier, AD. I know somebody who would appreciate this one too. Jason Tatum, Chasing the Hall, Norman Powell, Paul Pierce. We get another Scotty Barnes and a Bones Highland. So with that being said, that's not too bad, I'd actually say, especially with these two bad boys. I don't think Buddy Hield's really going to be worth that much with even though it's a Starlight, but still, it's a Starlight. It's a rare parallel, so. But this is the bad boy we're all looking for right here. This is Anthony Edwards with the tough insert. Not a bad. I'm happy with that. I'm good with that. Got them in the same pack, so you can't complain with that. It's not going in. So with that being said, bam, there we go. Illusions. 10 packs of Illusions. It was well worth it too. Where I got them from, it was pretty good. So thank y'all for joining me. That's Illusions right there, 10 packs. You might as well try it out. So thank you for joining me again, and I'll see you in the next break.